Hey, so wanted to make a quick video here to show you the solution to your question, which is basically here on my screen. I have probably a very oversimplified version of what you have, but we have, say, this connections table. And then we have this timestamp field here, which we're calling last message. You want to be able to sort these in the API based on the most recent last message. However, you'll see, as I have on my screen here, I have a couple that don't have a timestamp, but rather are null values. So let's jump to an API endpoint here. So we know that if we actually go to the output tab here and we do a sort, not return type, we do sort here. So if we were to sort that last message in descending order, because we have those null values, null will actually come first in this case. So instead of what we want is to see the values that actually have a timestamp that are the most recent, we see null first. So we want to be able to have those null values be last in this sort and our most recent messages first. So what we can do is if we go back into this output tab here, we can create an eval and we'll choose that last message field and we'll just name this maybe like sort message. And we can add, you can call that field whatever you want. We can add a filter here. In evals, we have this coalesce filter available. And coalesce allows us to provide an alternative value for null values. Okay, so in this case, we can actually just go ahead and do a 0 here. And so now our null values will turn into zeros. And so with that sort, we actually need to go back to our sorting table here and now choose that sort message eval we just created and do that in descending order. So now when we go ahead and we run this query, what we'll see is we will see those messages that were the most recent. Remember, now we're looking at this sort message first. And those null values, you can see these last two records here. Last message is null, but with that coalesce filter, which provides that alternative value, they're 0. So they show up last in the sort.